Hi, Group 2 and 3. Here are your words for your spelling test this week. Number 1 is silent. Always remember that we must be silent in the hallway. Silent. Number 2 is fever. I didn't feel well, so I went to the nurse and she said I have a fever. Fever. Number 3 is happen. What do you think will happen in the next chapter? Happen. Number 4 is pattern. Remember, when sorting your words, you are looking for a pattern. Pattern. Number 5 is pillow. I like when a pillow is extra squishy. Pillow. Number 6 is bottom. Don't forget the question on the bottom of the page. Bottom. Number 7 is basket. Don't forget to return your library books to the basket. Basket. Number 8 is finger. I got a paper cut on my finger. Finger. Number 9 is sister. You and your sister should walk home after school. Sister. Number 10 is chapter. Make sure you read chapter 7 for homework tonight. Chapter. Number 11 is water. Many times after gym, you'll want to take a drink of water. Water. Number 12 is female. I got a new puppy over the weekend. Her name is Lola, and she is a female. Female. Number 13 is yellow. My favorite color flowers are yellow. Yellow. Number 14 is problem. Don't forget, you and your friends can always be a problem solver. Problem. Your last word, number 15, is not a surprise word. It is from your sort. Number 15 is follow. Please follow me down the hallway to the library. Follow.